What's up, guys? John's Ghetto Garage. It's John here. So, just wanted to get this video to you real quick. I've actually had this thing for quite a while. It's hypertech Max Energy 2.0. It's the power programmer and stuff. It's one of those plug and play shits. It's not bad, but people always give you like positive reviews, or some people are like, just get a real tune or some shit like that. But whatever. I'm on a budget. I don't really give a fuck. So what do you call it? This is one new thing for the Camaro. It's probably one of the last mods I'll get for the V6 Camaro and stuff, because after this, honestly, I don't really want to put much more money into it. I'd have plans to, getting an SS Camaro, a C5 Vet. There's a whole list, and that'll be a completely different video. And while this video is mainly just for an introduction of this thing, I will make a series of this, of like how to install the tune onto the car, what the hell everything looks like, and what everything really is. But this one's just an overview of what the hell's in this fucking package, and what are my results of my car. I'll give more videos, like I said. It'll be a complete series and all that stuff. So let's just get to it real quick. Max Energy 2.0. What the fuck do you get in the box? You get this. You get this fucking thing. It's your programmer right here, and honestly, you have to plug into your car, plug in a charger, and from this point on, a screen will pop up, and you can go from your settings from there. There's a lot of videos that give you. hypertech even has their own videos on this kind of shit. But I believe those videos only give a little bit, and they only try to make the product look so good and so amazing and stuff, which honestly, it is good, but there are some things they just don't tell you about it, and there's some things that, yeah, honestly, I'll give a more brutal, honest review on the thing. But what you really get with this, so hold on a second, let's open this whole box up. And this is not just for Camaros, this is for, like, for GM vehicle. Just go to their website or something if you want more of the information. This is just for the Camaro results, because there's like barely any Camaro videos with the hypertech programmer, honestly. So, but really, what do you get with it? You get your thing you plug into the car, and it plugs in from there. You get a charger cord. It's really just an Android cord, so if you have an Android or any kind of Samsung phone, seriously, just plug it into this. It works. Then you have your directions here and all that stuff, and yeah, I'll get into that, whatever. Alright, but we'll just put these in a while. Actually, no, we will not put these in for a while. I'll put the USB in here, close that up. We'll plug these into the car. I'll show you what tune I have to my car and explain what it is and all that stuff. So, alright guys, we're in the Camaro. Once again, here, we're gonna plug this shit in. I just want to show you what the hell this thing does. So, you go find your port under here. It's probably showing. I just don't see it. So, I'm guesstimating where the heck it is. There we go. So, you plug it into your OBD, whatever the hell it's called, and next, you put this plug. It looked like a freaking toddler trying to videotape something, but whatever. You plug it in, your thing boots up, and system starting. So I'm just gonna turn it on the regular settings for now. So what you gotta do? It says turn your key to run. Don't. It says turn your key to run, but don't actually run the fucking car. So let me find my keys, and I'll push OK, and then it gets your VIN number and all that stuff. One sad thing about these, once you actually pair this shit to your car, you cannot tune any other vehicles except your car. Like, that's how the tuning companies get you. Like, when I first saw these, I was like, why didn't someone just like tune their car, sell it and stuff? But that doesn't work like that, so whatever. So turn the key to run, push OK, max energy 2.0, read VIN. Oh, woohoo, you don't need to see that, psych, you already saw it. I don't give a fuck. Alright guys, so that screen will appear up. However, this thing is charged. You will probably have to charge it beforehand. But, it's not too bad, so. I'm going to turn that off, actually. You're actually not even supposed to have electronics, like, hooked up. Like, you're not even supposed to have your charger there, but, my car seems to be doing fine. The only thing I unplugged is my subwoofers and my audio system, but it's whatever. So you got your settings. You have your tuning settings, quick commands, diagnostics. Like, it's all in one. It's like diagnostics and stuff. You can clear that kind of stuff with this thing, so it's more than just a tuner. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna look at quick commands real quick, because TPMS, I don't need to adjust that. So diagnostics, my engine's fine, whatever. No, there's nothing wrong. This is somewhat of a new car still. Setup and info, let's just go to this. Let's just go to the vehicle info. Yeah, it is tuned, so whatever. Here's my tune. Okay, so currently the tune, I have the premium tune on right now. It's for like 93, 92 octane. There's actually regular and premium. The regular actually runs really well too, but the premium it's the best, I guess, but whatever. 500 above the RPM, so I can rev a little
definitely getting the red line now. The rev limiter even in park is not 3,400, it's like 3,900 now, but still it's not a lot. So I have W-rated tires actually, so I have up to 168 miles an hour. Tire size stock, gear ratio stock, your shift from this 100. That is a really fun one, honestly. I'll be dead honest. That's fun, but it's not much of a tune. I'll actually go over like setting this up and how to actually install the tune and all that stuff. But this is just a teaser video of what I got, and I'll post another video of the results and stuff. But honestly, I thought it was worth what $300 some for the tune. It definitely made it was 9-day difference in my opinion. The car sounds a little different now, especially with the muffler delay. It's just a little more crackles. I think it's just because it's dumping more fuel in and burning it quicker because of the premium tune, higher octane bullshit, whatever. I don't know. But honestly, take the limiter off. Somewhat of the rev limiter off. I like that. The shift firmness, I definitely do like that as well. And the with the automatic transmissions, which I do have an auto, but I do not feel like messing with the gear shifting and stuff because you can shift it to be higher in a certain gear and stuff. But honestly, I keep the drive because I want to drive economically for like regular stuff. But if I'm actually racing, I'll just switch in the manual mode. It's honestly no reason to put in automatic and up the revs for the drive and shit. So it's not much. It's really fun. I thought it was worth it. I'll give more review into it. This is John from John's Ghetto Garage. Stay tuned for some more videos. Have a good day, guys.